Hi everybody, it's Julie Gizzi. When you look at these two ingredients, do you think you can do anything special with them? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make maple sugar on snow, just like how I grew up in Vermont. I only discovered recently how to make this in the microwave, which is a game changer because since I moved away from my parents' farm, I just haven't made this for my family, and now I know how. So I'm going to teach all of you. So you're going to start with 1/3 cup of maple syrup, and I added 1/4 teaspoon of coconut oil, or you could do butter. And the reason you add that is so it doesn't boil over. You need a container that's a lot bigger than the syrup that you have so it doesn't boil over in your microwave. I put mine in the microwave for 2 minutes and 30 seconds. It was 1/3 cup of syrup, 1/4 teaspoon of coconut oil. This is a 3-cup container, so it gives you an idea. So if you're going to double it, you might need to get a bigger container. 2.5 minutes in the microwave, and check this out, you guys. This is our cool and serve tray. It's packed with fresh snow. We just had a big snowstorm yesterday. And then you drizzle it on top of the snow. Now in Vermont and in Quebec, this is a time-honored treat. Every spring when the maple sugaring season is in full gear, there are full social gatherings just around this ingredient. So once you've got your sugar or your maple syrup poured on the snow, you take a fork and you simply twirl it. Look at that taffy. It's kind of stretchy and wonderful, and I'll tell you what, it is one of a delicacy that I remember from my childhood. It's absolutely delicious. You don't need to eat very much of it. Of course, it's pure maple syrup, so it's really sweet. But the tradition in Vermont is after you've eaten your fill, so a couple of forkfuls really, you can't stand the sweet anymore, you go for a dill pickle. It totally eliminates that sweet taste in your mouth and you can go in for more. A lot of sugar on snow parties will also serve cake donuts. And in the Canadian province of Quebec, they often have dinner parties around sugar on snow. So I hope you'll give this a try with your family. If you live in a part of the world where you don't get fresh snow, an alternative is to fill your container with water and just make a giant plank of ice and you know, put that in overnight, and then you can have the same thing. So this is an amazing treat. Enjoy!